Good afternoon, Maine Teen Camp! Oh, what a beautiful day in the state of Maine it is today. Yeah, don't worry, it's just a little bit of frozen precipitation. Nothing to worry about, nothing to stop evening meeting for. Just a couple of quick announcements today. We figured everyone's been a little bit tired. You guys did great on cabin inspection, so late wake up tomorrow morning. Yay! 9 a.m. wake up. Tonight's dinner time line walkers are Penny and Bandit. And remember, sign-ups for tomorrow. Packages, package list. Oh, I don't have a package list.
Oh, Hardy, I have a package list around here somewhere. Where was that? Ah, there it is.
Thanks, Jake. On today's package list, shea butter.
Yeah.
Any other announcements? Oh, yep.
Alana.
Alright, Dante, time to wash our paws.
This is the hand washing song, so you know how long to wash your hands under the water. If you ain't used soap, then you oughta, 'cause the soap makes water wetter, and the wetter water's better for keeping your hands clean all day long.
Any further announcements? Yeah.
Jason.
Alright everyone, we've got a brand new class this coming week. I think you guys are going to find it absolutely amazing. So we're not going to bother with that normal ultimate frisbee. No. We've got a brand new class for you all. Ultimate indoor zip chip. Yeah. Make sure you guys sign up, eh? Yeah.
Jason, I told you not to throw that inside.
Any other announcements? Oh, yep.
Jordan.
I sell my shoes. Whoa, what a nice day for a lake swim. Wow. Looks like it's time to wake up. Yeah, it's time to go do the lake swim. Beautiful weather. Right? Ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh, so nice. I can't see. Oh, almost there. I see the house right there. Lake swim tomorrow. Don't be late. Shift 2, you're on duty.
Any further announcements? Yeah, over here.
Ant.
Hi everybody, currently in my house in the UK, and something kind of weird is going on outside. I just thought I'd let you know. Let me swap the camera around and show you guys. So yeah, I don't know if some of the other people in the UK can explain this to me. The sky is this like weird blue color. I mean, normally it's like a gray or like an off-white, and there's this like huge yellow thing up in the sky, and it's really warm. So if anyone could shed some light onto what's going on, please let me know. Thank you.
Any other announcements? Oh, yep.
AJ.
Hi guys, as some of you may know, I've got a new song out at the minute. It's about being away from the ones that you love most, and I feel like most of us can relate to that at the moment. Here's a little snippet of it. It's called Right Next to You. There's burning desire when I'm right here beside you. I feel there's no way in the world I can lose. You keep me inspired to walk through the fire. I'll do whatever it takes to bring me next to you. Right next to you. Right next to you. That was Right Next to You. It's available on all major streaming platforms. Go stream it. Be safe. Have a good day. Bye.
Any further announcements? Yeah, over here.
Chloe.
Edges are burnt and black today. The crusts are crumbling away. I don't know how to work these strange machines. I just need some toast for my beans. I've never been the biggest fan of toast. Don't get me wrong, I like it, but it's bread I like the most. Bread is good and it's necessary. Toast is hard and the crumbs get on my knees, yes. And bread is the body of Jesus. I wouldn't want to bend Jesus, not me.
Any further announcements? Yeah, over here.
Cat. Matt. Odessa Bats.
Okay.
Any other announcements? Oh, yep.
Aaron.
Hi, everybody. How are you today? I'm good, thanks for asking. So I just finished handing out breakfasts and lunches for our school district right now. We have been handing out breakfasts and lunches to students and families with students in our school district here. Just want to remind everybody, stay safe, stay healthy, and always remember to sanitize before you appetize!
Any final announcements? If there's no further announcements, I would like to remind everyone that they are on cleanup. Please clean up after yourselves and have a great meal.